All right, good Thursday afternoon, everybody. It's coming up on 12:20, and I wanted to do a short little video here in the Stormtrooper Network and Alabama Stormtroopers, and let you guys know that we currently have a brand new tornado watch that includes basically from Tuscaloosa and Birmingham, the metro areas, all the way down south, down here to the Mobile metro area and then points offshore, and then always as far east as Greenville, Alabama, Calera, and Clanton, Alabama. Now, this does not include the Montgomery area, but this does include the areas of Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and the metro of Mobile as well. And this severe thunderstorm and tornado watch goes until 6 p.m. this afternoon and this evening. And this is for western and central Alabama. And this watch went into effect at 11:40 and will go until 6 p.m. A few tornadoes are likely, with a couple of intense tornadoes possible. Scattered damaging wind gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour, and an isolated large hail event of up to 1 inch in diameter is possible. A few tornadoes and damaging straight line winds with the strongest sails as they move across Mississippi into the state of Alabama. So that is the area of concern, and I can actually show you that there is your line of storms that are lined up basically from Meridian, Mississippi, all the way down into the Hattiesburg area and then points off to the south. But the issue, let me take this off. The issue is going to be any of these sails that form out ahead of the main line could produce the strongest tornadoes and the damaging straight line winds. Now, the majority of the winds are going to come from this squall line that is stretching here from the cities of Meridian all the way down to Hattiesburg. And we currently have a severe thunderstorm warning across the state line over there just off to the east of Hattiesburg, with a tornado possible and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. And as you can see, this line is starting to bow out. It's kind of got that little bit of a bow shape on it right there. So that is what's going to have to be watched as it continues to slide off over here north of the Mobile metro area. Also down here towards the Waynesboro area as well. So we're going to have to watch these storms as they continue to push on off towards the northeast and towards the east over time. Now, up here closer to the Tuscaloosa area, you've got this batch of rain and storms that are coming up here towards a point near Utah, and then over here towards the Columbus, Mississippi radar as well. So these need to be watched as well because we are underneath a tornado watch up here for the Tuscaloosa area, the Livingston area, Demopolis, Utah, and places like that. So those are the areas of concern that we currently have right now in Alabama and in East Mississippi. So good news is there's no signs of rotation up here across the northern portions yet. However, down here towards the south, we're going to have to watch this Bow Echo that is coming across Perry County, Mississippi. And then next up would be the areas of Greene County, Mississippi, which is going to be this county over here. And then getting into the state of Alabama, probably around 2 o'clock or so later this afternoon and this evening for the potential of damaging straight line winds and a couple of rotating thunderstorms with the potential for tornadoes. So that is the area of concern. We've also got to watch a couple of areas of rotation that I've been watching up here in and around the Meridian, Mississippi area as well. But once again, the greatest area of concern for severe weather is going to be in the area. And I can actually cut this back on for you and let you see that we currently have the tornado watch that is in effect here for Mississippi and Alabama until 6 o'clock tonight. And those areas right down there that currently are underneath the tornado watch need to be watched for the potential of a couple of isolated and spin up tornadoes later this afternoon and this evening. So that is the area of concern. And I'm going to take a very short break, and I intend to do another video for you guys around 1 o'clock before then, if necessary, to let you guys know about this frequent weather situation.